Good evening, guys. MIC Vlogs here, and today is a really snowy day outside. So right now, my computer is installing updates, and right now it's saying, "Getting Windows ready. Do not turn off your computer," is what it says. Wow, check that out, you guys. Check it out. There's snow on top of the table. There's snow on top of the roof over there. So it's pretty much gonna be a really freezing evening out. So if we just minded turning on the TV, it's almost 7, and I guess it's time to turn on the TV for some news, I assume. So let's get this ready with, and let's get this over with. Oh my god. It's snowing like crazy. Can't even see. Can't even see. It's snowing even faster than expected. Alright, now it seems like it's getting even more intense as it snows. Okay. So I can talk about, well, what happened with MIC Vlogs last week. Last week, my channel, my awesome channel, got removed due to a copyright claim. And I don't know which copyrighted music I put in it. That felt like if it snowed. Actually, I deleted that video which had a copyright claim, but it was removed in error, so I restarted his channel. Yeah, that's how the true story even is. That's how the true story even is with my channel and my MIC Vlogs. Everyone kept telling me to put a timer on the channel, but this is not a timer channel. This is a vlog channel, not a timer channel. It is pretty much a heavy wind now, and let's see how the cooking is going. Hope it goes really great. And now we're about to check it. How's it cooking, sir?
What is that?
How's the cooking, sir?
Let's check it out in a minute.
11 minutes and a quarter.
11 minutes, the rice will be done. After that, we are going to have to put it.
Nice. Alright, guys. That is it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you later.